Hi everyone, thank you for joining me in this presentation for Trinity Academy at Concordia University. Starting with my personal background, who I am, I was born in Chihuahua, Mexico. I recently graduated this past summer here at Concordia University with a Bachelor in Science, Business Administration with a concentration in finance and a minor in marketing. Some of my work experience is I was a social media manager in a health diet program in Mexico from 2014 to 2018. And then I moved to a marketing specialist in a dental clinic in Chihuahua, Mexico, back in my hometown from 2015 to 2018. And I'm currently working as a digital marketing intern here at Concordia University within the marketing department, working on several things, mainly the website here at Concordia University. Um, and for this instance, with this presentation, my area of emphasis is technology. So we'd like to start with it. Starting with my innovative ideas for this project in regards with the area of emphasis in technology. The four that I mentioned, the first one is create a streamlined donation. I will talk a little more in deep in regards with this one. Second one, within our website, review our call to action. In this case, the apply form and add it as a via online as well. Third one, incorporate more visuals on the website. And four, adding the waiting list information on the website as well. Well, starting with the streamlined donation channel, I mean, we all know that a faster procedures will benefit everyone because you get more donations from it. It will just help you, track and record the donor information, so you can reach back to them in future years and just try to get them another donation. I mean, Concordia does a fantastic job in regards with donations, so just adding that option on their website will be fantastic for Trinity Academy as well. And I mean, just having a payment gateway, not only through the website, having that link option also in our social media platforms, and also, through emails that we will be sending as Trinity Academy. So just giving those options to potential donors, facilitating the procedure will benefit Trinity Academy just to get more donations. So just adding those things to our website. The second one, apply the form via online. Currently, we have the option to download the apply form and then mailed it to Dr. Haley. So I just thought by adding it as a resource and tab on our website, will facilitate many things. I mean, mainly, online admission software. They can take applications 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, which will make, for example, in this case, the parents to apply will make them the job easier. Between work days and office hours. Just to get the procedure to mail it, it just will be way easier to do everything online. Also, will be more convenient for the admissions office in this case for Trinity Academy, in regards that everything, all the information will be set on 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 the website, on the database, and the data will be secure through the service instead of these costly file cabinets and occupying space on an office. So I think it's a win-win. As mentioned again, Concordia has already implemented this application via online. It only takes around 15 to 20 minutes, so it's not a hard procedure to develop as well for Trinity Academy and have it as an option on the website. The third one is a general one, incorporate more visuals on our website. I know we're barely starting with it as well with our social media accounts, but nowadays there's short attention spans and they had to be targeted with great visuals, either pictures of videos, just percentages, ratings, stuff like that that attain the attention of the people that are looking at Trinity Academy. And just increase their interest, to enroll and more interested about what is that we offer as a program. I mean, as I mentioned, some of the examples could be, faculty ratio, percentages, awards, recognitions about school, some FAQs, just general stuff like that. The fourth one I think is pretty interesting one is a waiting list information. We currently have already a waiting list, but it's not digital. So I think just have it out there on a website for for parents that are already on the waiting list or that are trying to be on the waiting list for future years, to enroll. It just provides a clear picture of possible new students searching for a future enrollment. It also gives Concordia a clear and understanding on how successful the school is being advertised, and so they can have an exact number of how many students are already on the waiting list. And it also for parents and students, it's a way for them to be updated through Training Academy. Just keep sending in updates about how things are going with in regards with their enrollment. So I think it will be needed, and it will facilitate a lot of things to have it on our website as well. In general, just to mention of the competitors, the strong ones for Trinity Academy, um, based on proximity and education wise, the first one will be Seward High School. Being the only high school here in Seward, Nebraska, in town, it makes them the one of the strongest competitors for Trinity Academy. The second one is Lincoln Lutheran, which is like 30 to 40 minutes away from Seward, but it's one of the closest in regards with the Lutheran education. So it's also a strong competitor. And the third one is Nebraska Lutheran Knights in Walker, Nebraska. Um, Same with Lincoln Lutheran. It shares the Lutheran values and education that Trinity Academy is looking to offer. Some of the main points that these three schools offer in regards with the innovative ideas that I previously mentioned is they already have organized website with a lot of resources. They develop a strong websites in each of the school. They offer good visuals on the main page for all of them, and all the resource tabs that they have. They provide a good understanding of the wars, faculty ratio, pictures, videos, like those things are already strong. And the donation side, they have a giving tab, accessible for potential donors. It makes them so much easier for potential donors to help the school. As well, they offer different options to support the school, and not only through online and donations. There's several things that they have said for people that are interested in helping the school. So I think that will be interesting for Trinity Academy to develop as well. And just the platform accessible for everyone just makes it so much easier to have it online. So I mean, it's good to understand who your competitors are and what things are they going good, either to match it or outperform them. And in general, with the executive conclusion, these innovative ideas that will potentially help Trinity Academy become stronger in many ways. In order for them to compete with their competitors. Um, it just creates a solid foundation for the short, medium, and long term, having all those ideas implemented in the website. And one of the most important things is that it's a cost effective for the institution budget. It will not require a lot of budget to implement these ideas. So that's why I consider that it will be beneficial for the school to pursue these innovative ideas. I hope you guys enjoy my presentation, and thank you very much.